Hey guys, welcome to Palit channel. When it comes to graphic cards, not only the performance, but the lighting effects are also important for gamers. Now, Palit brings ARGB Sync for you. With a single cable, you can synchronize the lighting of Palit card along with supported PC devices. Take out the cable included in Palit GPU package and plug the smaller end to GPU's connector. The connector is non-directional, so you don't need to worry about damaging the card with the wrong connection. Connect the other end to the motherboard or other ARGB-supported devices. Lastly, go to Palit website, download and open ThunderMaster software. Select ARGB Sync under Lighting tag. Now, you can enjoy the amazing lighting symphony on your gaming PC. If you like it and find this feature interesting, we may consider to add the ARGB Sync to other Palit models. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.